This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of fake human verification alerts that are coming from the website newskufune.com. This is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This may hijack your browser with multiple pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on allow, then definitely it was a mistake and it can be fixed. So access the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to display notifications. Remove any junk sites in case you find them on the list. One by one, carefully get rid of them. Finally, I recommend that you carefully research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the application and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.